In this video, I'm going to show you how to add pit stops on Google Maps. So for example, if you travel from B to A or from A to B, so let's say the location where we start is London, you can just select the directions tab over here and choose London, UK, so just the city. And then the destination will be Oxford. So let's say Oxford, for example, and it will choose the fastest route to Oxford. As you can see, it's just almost a straight line. But if you want to, for example, go to Aylesbury first, you don't know how to add it, this is the right video. You have to hit add destination and you can select Aylesbury. But when you do this, it shows you that you can first drive to Oxford and then to Aylesbury. What you want to do is you want to hold this one, just hold it and then slide it up above Oxford. And now, as you can see, this is the fastest route from London to Aylesbury to Oxford. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.
Bye.